Okay, just doing a test if you can hear me. Cool, everything's working. Okay, so hello. So I've made a couple of streams today, and the idea of this stream is just to round off today and what's happened. So I wanted to build a model from the game Stray. So if you haven't heard of the game Stray before, there's a cat, and the cat has a companion called B12, and it's sort of like a mini droid robot sort of thing. So it sort of looks like this. I mean, it looks exactly like this. This is a model from the game. I managed to find this online, and I wanted to see if I could try and design this out of some sort of wood material, because you can get this 3D printed, but I thought wood would be a nicer texture and it won't break as normal 3D prints do. So yeah, I wanted to cut this out of wood. The only problem was it was very difficult to do so. Every time I tried working on it, the program I was using kept crashing. So I scrapped that and went for something a little bit different, which is this. So I made this as a somewhat like how would I say this? As a substitute. So this face, this adorable sad face. Yeah, and the idea was that I had this sliced into pieces, so sections, so that I can just put them into. So I'm going to put this whole design into what you call a CNC router, and that's basically a machine that sends computer controls to a cutter, so you can cut this out automatically. And so I have it made in a way that it can be cut out easily, and so it's sliced into individual parts. So for example, that's one piece, and then you can take them out and then put them into like a cutter bed here to cut out, see? So something like that. Hopefully will be the end result, and then I can screw it together, and that's what those holes are. It's so that the screws can be lined up on each individual piece, and it should hopefully glue and line up perfectly. Well, that's the plan. At least we'll see what happens to it when I get down to do that. Yeah, so I'm not completely done with this yet. I'm thinking about making a stand for it and a sort of base that I can use to have this head hang off. And I do want to make this more into that. So maybe some like wings, better definition in the ears or something like that. Something like that might be interesting, but yeah. Anyway, if you want to see the end result of this, I'll maybe just subscribe. That was the best way to find out when these videos come out. And yeah, that concludes this day. I'll probably start tomorrow to make the stand and anything else. Yeah, and I'll catch you guys hopefully tomorrow. Bye bye.